A dull kitchen knife is actually far more dangerous than a sharp one. This surprising truth often leads to preventable accidents in countless homes globally. Imagine struggling with a blade that constantly slips, increasing the risk of painful injuries. But what if basic household items could transform your tools and enhance safety? Many people believe knife maintenance requires expensive specialized equipment or professional services. However, essential knife care and quick repairs are entirely within the reach of any homeowner. Properly maintained knives make cooking faster, safer, and significantly more enjoyable for everyone. Ignoring simple fixes can degrade your valuable kitchen tools, shortening their useful lifespan drastically. A well-kept knife glides effortlessly through ingredients, reflecting a chef's confidence and precision. This fundamental skill saves money, reduces waste, and empowers you in your own kitchen space. From a chef's perspective, a sharp knife is an extension of their hand, vital for culinary artistry. Neglecting a loose handle or a rusty spot can render an otherwise perfect blade completely useless. Learning these basic DIY repairs elevates your kitchen experience beyond simple meal preparation. Discovering these easy techniques will change how you interact with your most important kitchen tools. Sharpening a dull blade begins with understanding the correct angle, typically 20 degrees for most kitchen knives. You can achieve this using a simple ceramic mug turned upside down, its unglazed rim acting as a fine sharpening stone. Gently run the blade across the rim, alternating sides, ensuring you maintain a consistent angle throughout the process. Many people forget to finish with honing, a crucial step for realigning the blade's microscopic edge. For a loose knife handle, a common issue, the solution often involves tightening small screws if they are visible. Use the correct screwdriver size. Forcing the wrong one can strip the screw head, creating a much larger problem. If screws are absent or stripped, a strong epoxy resin offers a durable and long-lasting alternative solution. Apply a small amount of epoxy into the handle gap, clamp it securely, and allow it to cure fully overnight. But what if your favorite blade shows unsightly signs of rust, seemingly beyond repair? Rust, primarily iron oxide, can quickly compromise a blade's integrity and its overall performance. To tackle light surface rust, acidic household items like white vinegar or lemon juice prove incredibly effective. Submerge the rusted section in vinegar for a few hours, then gently scrub away the loosened rust with a scourer. For more stubborn rust spots, a baking soda paste, applied and left to sit, can work wonders before scrubbing. Yet, preventing rust is far simpler than removing it once the damage has already occurred. Always hand wash your knives immediately after use, avoiding the harsh environment of a dishwasher entirely. Thoroughly dry the blade with a clean towel, preventing any moisture from lingering and initiating corrosion. Applying a thin layer of food-grade mineral oil provides an excellent protective barrier against future rust formation. For serrated knives, often overlooked, a simple sharpening rod can meticulously realign each individual tooth effectively. And then there's the surprising trick for restoring a slightly bent knife tip, a common kitchen mishap. Gently tap the bent tip with a rubber mallet on a sturdy wooden surface, carefully coaxing it back into alignment. This subtle method requires patience and light taps, avoiding excessive force that could cause further damage. Even a simple piece of sandpaper, progressively finer grits, can refine minor nicks along the blade's edge. Start with a coarser grit to remove imperfections, then move to finer grits for a polished, sharp finish. Imagine the satisfaction of bringing a neglected, seemingly useless tool back to perfect working order. These accessible methods ensure your knives remain dependable, ready for any culinary challenge. Maintaining a knife properly involves a blend of these simple techniques, applied consistently over time. Each repair extends the life of your tools, transforming them from disposable items into lasting companions. Mastering these quick repairs fundamentally changes your relationship with kitchen tools and household items. You gain an invaluable sense of self-sufficiency, reducing reliance on professional services and costly replacements. This practical knowledge translates into significant cost savings over time, a wise investment in your home. Furthermore, a well-maintained knife dramatically improves kitchen safety, minimizing accidental slips and cuts. Imagine preparing meals with confidence, knowing your tools are always performing at their absolute best. The environmental benefit is also substantial, as repairing extends product life and reduces landfill waste. This approach fosters a mindset of sustainability, valuing items for their longevity rather than disposability. A sharp, functional knife makes cooking a joyous, effortless experience rather than a frustrating chore. You will feel empowered, equipped to handle minor household issues with competence and skill. This practical expertise extends beyond knives, building a general confidence for other small DIY projects. The satisfaction of using a tool you personally restored is deeply rewarding and incredibly fulfilling. These simple actions contribute to a more efficient, safer, and ultimately more enjoyable home environment. Embrace the power of quick fixes. They are a testament to resourcefulness and practical intelligence. Your kitchen will become a place of greater efficiency and less stress, all thanks to a little care. Efforts ensure your essential simple DIY kitchen knife repairs are not implements just about fixing sharp tools. They are about cultivating practical self-reliance.
These small efforts ensure your essential kitchen implements remain sharp, safe, and ready for years of service.
Apply these easy techniques to transform your kitchen experience and empower your everyday life. If you found these practical tips insightful, subscribe for more ingenious home repair solutions and life hacks. Also, give this video a like and share your own favorite quick fix in the comments below.